onye na-enweghị ga na-eri ofe Owerri. Onye jeje ga na-eri ofe Owerri. Mbano. Guys, look at my Ofe Owerri. Person wey no get money no dey eat this soup. This one na Owerri soup. Owabu pawpaw. This life is too sweet. Guys, look at my Ofe Owerri. Onye na-enweghị ga na-eri ofe Owerri. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You are highly welcome. First of all, I want to thank all my lovely subscribers, my new one and the old ones. You are highly welcome. I love you guys, man. Today guys, I want to take you guys along with me and show you how I cook this lovely Ofe Owerri that you are seeing now. This soup tastes very sweet and delicious. Guys, follow me now to the kitchen. Watch this video till end and I'm going to show you all the ingredients I used to achieve this lovely Ofe Owerri. So guys, let's go down to the kitchen. So guys, these are all the ingredients I'm going to use to cook the Ofe Owerri. So over here is my ogiri Igbo, which is a locust beans, and this is Aromat for taste. This is my marginal cubes, and this is a ONGA. Over here is my pepper for the soup, and this is the cocoyam. And over here is my meat. What I have there is oxtails and goat meat, and this is my fillet catfish. This is blended crayfish, and this is my red oil stockfish, thick and shaki, which is cow skin and tripe, and this okazi leaves, and this my ogo. So it's two of them I'm going to use. If you don't want to use ogo, you can use uziza leaf with okazi, or you use ora with okazi, or you use akwanyara with okazi. But I'm using ogwa. It's the uziza I wanted to use, but I didn't see uziza to buy, so I'm using ogo to cook the Ofe Owerri. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to use to make the Ofe Owerri. So guys, let's go and dive into the cooking. Okay guys, so I'm going to start with stockfish and the thick pomo and shaki. You know, they are very strong meats. So I'm adding the water now, and I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes before I can add the rest of the meat. Okay, so I'm covering it now to cook for 10 minutes, and we'll be back. So after 10 minutes now, I'm going to add the goat meat and the oxtail, and I'm going to add some nut cubes, which is I'm adding 6 nut cubes, which is 3 because it's 2 in a pack. And I'm going to add some aromats for taste. So I'm going to cover it now and allow it to cook for 15 minutes while I'm going to be preparing my head and the rest of the things. So guys, the meat is ready now, and I've turned it to the pot I want to use to cook the soup. So I'm adding the crayfish now. After the crayfish, I'm going to add my pepper and the ogiri together. And after that, I'm going to add my dry fish. After the dry fish, I'm going to add my oil. And after adding the oil, I'm going to add some water. So after adding the water, I'm going to cover it to cook for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes now, the soup is boiling now. So I'm going to add my cocoyam. I've already cooked it and panned it off the camera. So I'm going to cut it small, then and add it into the soup so that it can thicken the soup for me. So I'm going to cover it now so that the other will dissolve and thicken the soup for me. So I'm checking the soup now. You can see the has dissolved now. So I'm going to give it a good stir now. After stirring it, you see how thick it is, guys. As you are seeing it now, and I'm not going to put anything, it's okay for me, because when the soup get cold, it's going to thick more. That's one thing with all this bitter leaf, all this thickened soup. Once it's cold, it's going to thicken more. So now I'm adding okazi leaf. And after adding my okazi leaf, I'm going to cover it. Allow it to cook for just 3 minutes before I can add my the ugu. So I'm covering it now, as I said, for 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes now, you can see it. So I'm going to add ugu now. I've already washed my ugu and everything is ready. So I'm adding my ugu now. So I'm going to cover it just for a minute. And I'm going to turn it and test it. So you can see it now. I'm going to give it a good stir now. Chai! Onye na-enwere ga na-eri Ofe Owerri. Chai! If you no get money, you no fit eat this soup. Onye na-enwere ga na-eri Ofe Owerri. Chai! Onye jeje ga na-eri Ofe Owerri. Oh, make una sing the remaining one for me, abeg. Look at this soup, guys. Ofe Owerri. Child, can you see it? So I'm going to test it now. I'm going to add a little Aromat on it. and I'm gonna give it another stir. Chai. This is nice. Chai. I'm going to leave it just for 2 minutes now. So guys, look at it. The soup is ready. So guys, can you see it? This is all the ingredients put together. Can you see? Ofe Owerri. So I'm going to serve now. See it. So, chai. I can't wait to. Can you see the Ofe Owerri? So guys, this is the end of the cooking for today. Thank you for staying with me. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to me, guys, please subscribe, okay? Thank you. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.